we represent 60% of the voice of this country, and we are treated as if we represent nobody. When the government shuts us up in parliament, humiliates us, they are not just humiliating us as members of parliament, they are humiliating and shutting up the voice of the people of India and the majority of the voice of the people. The single most important thing in my view is that we unite this voice. The more this voice unites, the more powerful this voice will become and the more difficult it will become for the BJP to suppress it and the RSS to suppress each other. But I think it is important that now we start to come up with the principles of the foundation of this unity.